What are we gonna do today?
So we're gonna do this activity.
It's coloring and making what?
Um,
Bird houses.
yeah, we have to do
All right, what do we have?
this. I think we have more. So my mom thought it came like this, but it came like this. So we're gonna make a bird house for birds. If you see a bird in there, you could bring it in your house and you could have a pet bird.
All right, open. Let's see what's inside.
I'm not sure to open this.
All right.
I don't
Instructions.
think very well.
Instructions.
We have this, and we're gonna build, of course. So this is a building.
Oh, is it gonna be this tiny house? Probably they're gonna be super tiny house.
So we have this too. We're gonna build a house with these stuff. These are the house
We're gonna
building
paint,
stuff.
color.
Yeah.
The outcome will be just like on the box.
Yeah. And we have this too, and I don't know what is this. We have lots of stuff. I'm being so itchy. We have one paintbrush.
Oh no, look what I did.
Okay. We have this for the paintbrush. You know why we have this? So it dries. And it's so pointy. You wouldn't want to touch this. It's very pointy.
And we have colors.
My favorite color. No, my paintbrush. There. Accidentally
And we
dropped
have
it.
all the colors.
Yeah, I know because I actually showed the box. I made the box on the box. So here's our colors. We're ready to open. I think we need scissors. Oh, there. Okay.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh my goodness.
All right. Oh,
Wow, I love the colors. Look at that. We
know.
have purple, pink,
I know.
dark pink, blue,
know.
green, yellow.
And the other side, we have colors too, right? And it's the same colors. It's so bendy. I haven't had these.
So what do we have to do first? In order to find out, what are we supposed to do, Ella?
First, we're all opening them, right?
Yes, and second, we have to...
Do everything like build, make.
We have to read
Yeah.
we have to read instructions.
I don't know how to read it.
Okay, here I have to be your help, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm reading. 4-in-1 wood garden set. Okay, that's what it is, guys. So, it's fun and easy to build a point and paint your 4-in-1 garden set. Follow these easy instructions to get started.
Yeah.
Birdhouse. Okay, number 1 is the birdhouse. Set up your work area. All right, we gotta set up a work area. We gotta put a paper. Oh, look at this. We have so many cool
So let's open our paintbrush.
beads and what is that? Glue, probably.
So we have our paintbrush right here. You see it's spiky?
It doesn't say paint, Ella. So we first gonna do the, Ella calls it a flower. See?
That's flower.
So you'll start painting first. What color?
First we dip a
What
little-
color do you want your flower to be?
I think, I don't know, it's gonna be a surprise.
Okay. So she's gonna start painting.
Wipe it here.
Yeah. Which color are you gonna do so we can open your colors?
This color.
You gonna do green flower? What are you doing with that?
Look.
On the sides?
And we're gonna put some yellow here.
Ah, I see. She's doing.
So we're gonna wait until this dries. When we wait until it dries, we're gonna
Make the heart?
Yeah. First, we're gonna do the heart. Second, we're gonna do the heart.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this one, Ella. Look. It's
Yeah.
this. It's a. See?
Yeah.
Oi, 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 oi. So, okay, you start working on it. You gotta actually, yeah, hold your artwork and then work on it. It's gonna be a long process. I told you, maybe the whole day today we have to do the painting and.
I know. It's just hard to paint.
I told you to use another brush
I know.
to make it easy.
Yeah, but I want to this one.
All right.
Because I could maybe stain the lines a little bit.
Don't worry. Have fun.
Yeah.
You have the most important. You have to have fun with your activity, right?
So we're gonna be a little bit careful on this one. Need some more green. Color all those wooden parts. Soon we're done, it's gonna look perfect.
Of course.
Look at this. It's just amazing.
Beautiful.
So more green.
Coming together, just beautiful.
Yeah. But soon we're done, it's gonna be great. Right? We gotta use lots of green. Right?
Wow, you're almost done with your heart.
Yeah, I know.
You have to do the other side, but we have to wait until it dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're gonna do
What's next?
I don't know.
This one you have to color. Yeah.
But I don't know if we're gonna color the ball.
Yes, why not?
Well, see?
I don't know where the ball goes.
Over there.
Okay, just color that other wood part, please.
Actually, I'm gonna color the ball.
Okay.
We need that one for the ball.
Which color are you gonna use?
I think purple.
Purple. All right.
Yum.
It's coming together beautiful. Wow, look at that. Beautiful artwork. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Press. Okay, flower almost done. The pink is done. The heart.
Yeah, but
And
the
this one still drying. Okay. We gotta wait until they dry so we can continue, right?
Yeah. So I don't know what else to do.
We gotta wait until it dries, right, Ella?
Yeah. I'm a little plain here.
let's wait for this to dry and then we'll continue adding the rest of the parts.